Welcome everybody to the Scent Adventure. I'm James Showers, cleanest name in the biz, and today we have a certified scent specialist on board, Cuddles, the African Grey. We have a slight unboxing because I've already unboxed this. I didn't realize who this was from until I opened the box and saw an Ariana Evans logo inside. Ariana Evans is one of my favorite shave soap companies, and I recently purchased a razor and a brush. They reached out to me and said they were going to add some soaps and some body bars in here, and I'm not too sure what's in this box, but I wanted to share the experience with you guys.
Opening up this box, you'll see everything is wrapped neatly with some high quality craft paper. The boxes the items come in are all black except for the Ariana Evans logo. I get 2 bar soaps here, and they are nicely wrapped in a tissue paper along with twine and stamped with wax. They tossed in a sample of a vegan soap base that they will be releasing early 2024. And they also tossed in a shave soap, and this is the high-end soap base Ultima. This is scented in Cathedral, and it is neatly wrapped in a Ariana Evans tissue paper, and the pour on it looks amazing. Wow, and to top it all off, they tossed in the matching Ultima Cathedral Splash. Guys, this is the razor that I decided to pick up from Ariana Evans, and it's a butterfly razor, and it has a nice cigar shape and feel. And along with my razor, I had to order a brush from these guys, and this thing looks really cool and sleek. So a quick recap on what we got: a new shave soap base for 2024, an awesome Cathedral scented Ultima base with a matching splash, a couple of body bars, and of course my brush and my razor. Look how cool that is. You push up on the bottom, butterfly opens, pop in your blade, and you're good to shave. If you've tried this brand, let people know what you think of them in the comments down below. And I'll see you on the next adventure. Peace.